teachers who do not qualify to perform the duties of higher administrative posts. This is a requirement that we might need funding so that we are able to conform to required regulations. Chair, that is the end of my presentation. Thank you.
Thank you. CEO. Unless you another World Bank funded program. It is an activity, but you have not given us the cost. What is the cost of that? Because as part of budget making process, we always include the taxes, donor funds, and even donor grants. What is the cost of that particular aspect? And then two, the second question is on page last one. The incomplete projects. Let me commend you first of all for finishing Bomet and Kilifi and Machakos. It took years with your former CEO. Even these ones we are talking about have taken time, 3 or 4 years old. What are you doing to ensure that when you start a project, you complete it instead of spreading thin? Why don't you, if you have money for one, you just start one and finish, instead of having spreading too thin? So, and those are my two main questions. Let me just let's ask 2 questions and then we clear. So they respond, we finish.
Thank you, Chair. And let me also appreciate TSC. It's actually a breath of fresh air.
And talk